Good morning, everybody. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. This is for documentation purposes only. It is a Wednesday, April 6, 2022. Last night, I cooked myself a really nice dinner. All organic vegetables. I ate half of it and put the rest of it in the refrigerator in a Rubbermaid container. Well, guess what? The criminals were in my house this morning and stole it. They actually stole the Rubbermaid container with the food I prepared last night, period. They walk on my property as if they own it. In addition to the light wire that was cut over the weekend, one of my cat's eyes has been harmed. He won't even let me near it, and this is not the first time this has happened where his eyes are completely swollen. It's not naturally occurring, and they've done this before to the same cat. When I tell you that this program is insidious and criminal, it is beyond that. It's beyond psychological warfare. It's beyond asset stripping. I guarantee that right now, within 30 feet of where I'm standing, there is some cloaked criminal, some community-based agent, or some government person. And 30 feet from where I'm standing is from here to the chicken coop. Maybe a little bit further. So literally, that person could be anywhere. And I know that they're on the property and cloaked, especially at night, because the motion sensor lights that are all over the place turn on and there's nobody there, not even an animal, no wind. So again, this is Lorraine signing off, documenting that somebody trespassed my property, walked into my house, opened my refrigerator, and stole food. Hope you're having a good day today.